Often documentation in Microsoft Word contains bullets which are designed to highlight key points. Now there's a variety of images and options as well as spacing you can have that can make your documents look more professional. So first of all, I'm going to type in some text. Today is Tuesday. If I want to bullet it, it's often good to either set up your bullets at the start or highlight everything and then start working with the bullets. So if I click on the bullet icon, we now have our first bit of bulleted text. Now when I get to the end, as soon as I press enter, it automatically assumes that I want to start a new bullet. So I can type in the next piece of text. Now we know when I press enter, it pops a new bullet in. If I don't want another bullet, if I want to deactivate the bullet, if I press enter again, it switches the bullets off. Pressing enter adds a new bullet. Pressing enter a second time switches the bullets off and moves the cursor back to being left aligned. Now, if I want a different bullet icon, I can simply highlight the data, and if I come to the drop arrow beside the bullets, there's a variety of different bulleting options. You can also choose to define your own bullet, but here's a few of the most common and recently used ones that will display. The ones that I have here might be slightly different to yours, but this enables you to change things about depending upon what you're doing. So you can just click the particular one that you want. If you want to remove the bullets, you can simply highlight the data there and click the bullet icon and the bullets will be automatically taken off. Going to pop them back on again. Now you'll notice there's a gap between the bullets and the text. If I wanted to change the gap, make the gap a bit bigger, all I need to do is highlight the text. If I come up here to the ruler, if the ruler doesn't display, if you just go to view and ruler, that will switch it on for you. What I'm going to do is come up here and I want the up arrow, and if you drag that slightly to the right, you'll see that it's moving the space or moving the distance between the bullet and where the text starts. Just be careful not to pick up the marker from the bottom because then it moves everything. So just important to understand the difference. You may want to change your bullets to numbers. So you can highlight your data, you can click the numbers 1, 2, 3, and your bullets are automatically altered. You can also click the drop arrow here, and let's say you didn't want the numbers 1, 2, 3, or you wanted a different format. You can choose it with a left aligned and like a closing bracket beside it, letters of the alphabet, Roman numerals, upper Roman numerals. So there's a variety of different options depending upon how you actually want to work out your particular bullets. So I'm just going to click on, say, this one to give us an idea of something a little different. Remembering, if you want to continue with your bullets, you just keep pressing enter, and if you want to switch the bullets off, you can either click on the button or just simply press enter twice and it will stop the bullets for you.